Good morning, guys. Welcome back up to our homestead up here in southern Utah. Today is going to be a little bit different of a video. We keep talking about this new project that we have going on. We're super excited about it. A lot of you have been asking me about when are we starting our house? How come we're not building our house right now? And we're going to answer all those questions in this video. So to get started, the reason why we haven't built our house this winter was because
it's snowing.
Well, obviously it's, yeah. So just the bids that we were getting, because lumber was so expensive, it was extremely expensive. Our entire family is build houses, so we kind of know what to expect when it comes to prices on things. We got bids and it was just, everybody was just coming back at just extreme prices.
Especially the trusses.
Yeah, the trusses were like $30,000, which is more than the entire lumber package should cost. Anyway, so we decided to stay in the trailer for the winter and kind of wait out the prices, and hopefully the prices will go down, and they have gone down, which is awesome. That being said, we are still not going to start on the house this summer.
Surprise! Sorry.
And it just boils down to finances, complete transparency. Everything that we've done up here has cost 2 to 3 times more than what we had originally thought or planned on because of the economy right now. It is what it is, but we are definitely tired of being in this trailer. Not that it's a bad trailer, it's nice, it's comfortable, it's not warm though, it doesn't heat very well, it doesn't keep heat.
And just a little background on us, like our Vegas house was 3,500 square feet and now we're in 210 square feet. So
yeah, like I think like 280 or something, but it's tiny.
It's small, compact.
And there's 4 of us, sometimes 6. We're ready to get out of here, we're ready to have some good insulation, a normal couch, just more space to like relax and have a little bit more time.
It's hard with kids because the kids want to jump around and they want to dance and sing and play and like
the entire trailer moves and rocks and shakes, and they want to do it on the slide that hangs 3.5 feet outside the trailer. And I'm like,
stop it!
Yeah, like last thing I want is something to happen to this because this is where we live. Anyway, so we have a new project planned and we're excited to share it with you guys. The budget for this is going to be a lot lower than the other one, but it's going to be awesome. It's something that we wanted to do in the future anyways, just for people coming up here and visiting and giving them a nice place to stay. We're excited to do this and then move into it and get rid of this trailer for next winter, and then we can start building the house next summer once finances allow. So I wanted to show you what we're gonna do. We bought a plan, just like our house plan. We bought a plan. It's super windy. There's a storm coming. It's supposed to snow for like 5 days straight. Anyway, we bought a plan. We have it structurally engineered, it's stamped, it's done. All I got to do is finish the permit process. We are having our nephew Kevin do a lumber list for us too, and it's a very simple, straightforward build. But what we're gonna do is a large garage with an apartment on top. That way it gives us some areas to store our vehicles. We can also have a gym in there, which we badly want, and then it gives us about almost 1,200 square feet, wood burning stove, everything.
Yeah, and a beautiful deck that goes around.
Yeah,
that's gonna give us some really, really beautiful views.
So let me show you this right now. So this is our proposed garage. This is exactly what we're gonna do. It has this wraparound deck that goes around, and this is 2 separate garage doors with the apartment above. In the plans that we bought there, this is 30 feet wide, and then I think it's 60 feet long, but we modified them, so we're not doing that exactly. Let me scroll down here. This is some different views. So you can see right here, this is what the deck, it looks pretty much right where this deck ends is where the apartment ends. And then in this plan, this is just huge, tall garage, which we don't need that. So we are stopping it right here. So from the front of the house to the back, it's actually 36 feet, and it's 10 feet of a deck, and then 10 feet out as well, like so 10 feet wrapped around the side and the front. It looks pretty cool. Like I don't know if we'll do the windows exactly like this, but this is really nice. We like it. This deck is nice. We can come out, like this one has like a little propane stove, which is super cool. We like that. The whole wraparound deck is awesome. The way we're going to position this house is the deck's going to be just like this. Over here in the mountains, we have mountains, but they're the pink cliffs, so right now we cannot see them from where we're at, but being up another 10 or 11 feet on this deck, we may be able to see them, so we're excited to see if that. And then let me go down to the floor plan and show you guys what it looks like. All right, so this is the garage. I mean, we changed it a little bit, but you have the 2 doors, and then it has a half bath in here, and then actually it shows it as a full bath, but we're doing a half, and then we're stopping it right here at this line, and then this garage door is going to be right here, and then we go up to the apartment. This is exactly what it's going to look like. Maybe move a door here or there. Kitchenette over here. We're going to have an island right here. We're gonna have a wood burning stove probably right around here. Whole area is living room. We're gonna have a mud room, master bedroom. The kids are gonna share a room. Pretty simple.
Throw a big love sack couch in the center so we can all play, run around, and be a little rowdy.
Okay, so this is our actual architect. These are not the engineer ones yet. Anyway, so you can see the deck. The garage is smaller. This staircase is not gonna fly out the back like this. We're actually gonna move it inside of the deck and have you come underneath the deck into it, so it's not like, so the stairs will stay with snow off of them because they'll be covered. This is it. I mean, it's right here. It's showing 11 by 1102 square feet. But as you know, we just bought those joists in the last video. Those joists are actually 33 feet wide, and we're gonna be putting them every 12 inches across like this. So we're gonna actually, instead of being 29 and a half, it's gonna be 33. So we got an extra 3.5 feet of room for the garage and the apartment for us. And then you can kind of see the front elevation here. There's the rear. It has that back door, so that'll be nice. And I feel like some of the things in here aren't exactly what we're gonna do. Like, I'm not gonna have a window next to a window in the bathroom that, or in the bedrooms. That just, I'll have one window and one window. It just looks funny. As far as the location of where we're putting it, we're sitting in our trailer right now. The back of our trailer, we're gonna go about 15 to 20 feet behind it, and that's where we're gonna put it. Pretty much you drive past our shop, our workshop, and take a right, and it's gonna be right up behind that.
It's central. It's central. It's close to all of our utilities.
Yeah.
But it's not far from the house either, because we want to be able to go back and forth between the two buildings.
Right. I mean, I feel like once it's built, we're still gonna want to like park in it and then walk to our house, I guess. But I mean, it's not like the ideal garage where it's like attached so you can just walk straight in your house. We're just not gonna do that with this house, I guess.
Yeah. We tossed around ideas like, let's throw it over there, let's throw it over here, let's put it back here. But
yeah, we tried to put it over where our fuel tank is, because there's a septic line already ran over there, and it would have a good view and everything. It's probably 400 or 500 feet away from our solar shed. To run a panel all the way over there, that thick a wire to run a whole house, you have to get the thick stuff and trench it all the way over. That wire ain't cheap. So
I think where it's gonna be is gonna be perfect.
No, I love it. I think it's gonna be really cool.
For us and for our future guests. I can't wait to like share this with family and friends.
Yeah, I'm excited to live in it myself. Like, I feel like it's home. Like, it's home. I can't wait to get in it and get out of this trailer. As soon as that thing is built, and we're starting as soon as the snow is gone. We'd start right now if we can get a concrete truck up here. But as soon as the snow is gone, we're gonna start on it. And then this trailer is going to be sold to the highest bidder.
and bring on the wood burning stove. Like, I can't wait for that. It's just going to be so cozy and comfortable.
Yeah, we're going to have the thick insulation, 2x6 framings, thick insulation, so we can keep in the heat that we're generating instead of just pumping out. These windows right here are just single pane.
They're single pane. They fill with water. I'm wiping the walls off every day.
And plus, just doing this build too it's a very simple build. It's a rectangle. Just the walls go straight up. Like, it's super easy. There's one big LVL it's a glue lam ridge beam that's really big, and then we'll have to use a crane to get it up. But that's probably going to be like one of the hardest things that we're going to have to do on this entire build, I feel like. But everything else is going to be pretty straightforward and easy to do. As far as the concrete goes,
I was going to say that we're not going to do a slab at this moment.
Yeah, depending on the price of concrete, it's been going up and like up and down, fluctuating. We might just do the footers and then the stem wall and then build. We have garage doors on the front and the back. We can pull a truck and get it, or even with a pump truck, we can do the slab later. But we're definitely we just want to get started. We're going to do just the stem walls, and we're going to start building as soon as we can.
We're all excited. I think the whole family's excited. The kids get to finally like have some space as well. And
I'm excited to have a gym, like buy some gym equipment and have that down there, and like be able to get back on a routine from when we used to go to the gym almost every single day.
Even just being able to do like some sun salutations or whatever, just to yoga. Like get yourself moving. Stretch. If there's just not enough space in the trailer to. And then if you do try to do it, the chances are that there's mud all over the place.
Build isn't like super luxurious or anything, but I think I love the wraparound deck. I like the windows. I like how it's going to be a lot warmer. Like, the great room is so big, like where the living room and everything is, it's going to accommodate like a large sofa, so like a sectional or whatever, so we can like really, instead of this little tiny couch right here that it's so uncomfortable.
I spend more time in our bed than I do on the couch.
We're not complaining. This is a nice trailer.
This is a very nice trailer. But trailers are used for camping. They're used for short periods of time. They're not really supposed to be used to live
it'll be
in.
nice to get in there. And if I'm hoping it's done before even the winter hits, but if it's not, you better believe we're going in there anyways. As long as that wood burning stove is in there and there's insulation. That's what's gonna happen. All right, well, we just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you guys like that idea.
Yeah.
We love the idea. More experience on building and just being able to get in something faster with a garage and everything. Everything seems like the right thing to do for us.
Yeah.
So
We talked to a lot of people who are like, we rushed our build because we wanted to get into our house so fast. This is gonna be like a cool stepping stone where we're not just rushing to get out of this trailer and then we cut corners on our house that we're gonna regret later.
Right. So like being in a comfortable apartment that's 5 times the size of this thing will be so much more comfortable in the winters and just like everything to where we're not like in a huge rush just to like jump in that house, which I'm sure when we get to the point where the house is almost done, we're gonna be like, let's go. But at least we'll be comfortable during the whole process.
Yes.
I hope everyone had a Merry Christmas. We had a great time with family in Vegas. The girls,
oh man,
were flying Southwest, and as I'm sure a lot of you have experienced or did experience, they've canceled so many flights. So they were supposed to come on Christmas Day. They didn't make it. Their flight got canceled because they couldn't get a pilot and a crew. And then they rescheduled it for Wednesday. Tomorrow. And that one, I just looked it up to see how it was doing, and that one is canceled as well. Yeah. And the next one is not until like Thursday or something, or Monday of next week or something like that. So at that time, their winter break or Christmas break is done pretty much. So
their Christmas break is pretty much over, so they won't be able to come down this time, but we'll see them for spring break. We miss them. We love them very much.
We'll save their presents for them, I guess. Maybe I'll use them. We have some good plans for New Year's. We're headed to the dunes. Super excited to go and hang out with a bunch of our friends and have a good time to bring in the new year. Yes. That's always a good time. We do that every single year. Yeah, we just wanted to take the opportunity, or take the time to make this video to share with you guys what we're doing, because we've been talking about it a lot and I just didn't feel like it was fair to just keep you guys in the dark anymore. It's gonna be the end of this video, guys. We just wanted to do this video strictly on what we're building. Yeah, so I hope you guys have an awesome new year. And we'll be back to the cabin next week as well. Yeah, we still have to finish the cabin up. We got a lot of work to do on that. I'll be excited when that's done, and this is the new project. The next project. I'm excited to do something on our homestead. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment any questions you guys have about this build or just anything about the channel that you guys want to know, and we'll see you guys in a few days. See you in a few days. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.